Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find the value of m from this given equation on the board. Here, if you look at this question carefully, you observe that m is common in the numerator. Then as such, you are going to factor it out. And we have m into 1 divided by 30 plus 1 divided by 42 plus 1 divided by 56 equals 3. Then here, if you want to find the LCM in the denominator, it will make the equation to look so complicated. Then as such, I'm going to develop a pattern here by expressing each of these numbers by its multiples. Then we have that m into 1 divided by 30 can also be expressed as 1 divided by 5 times 6 plus 1 divided by 6 times 7 gives us 42 plus 1 divided by 7 multiplied by 8. That gives us 56 equals 3. And we simplify it further. We have here that m into 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 6 plus 1 divided by 6 minus 1 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by 8 equals 3. Then here, this and this will go, and this will go. Therefore, we have that m into 1 divided by 5 minus 1 divided by 8 equals 3. If we simplify this, we are going to have m into 3 divided by 40 equals 3. Then if you multiply it out, you have 3m divided by 40 equals 3. Note that this is over 1. Then by cross multiplication, we have here that 3m equals 40 multiplied by 3. Then 3m equals 40 times 3. That gives us 120. Then to get the value of m, we divide both sides of the equation 3 by 3. Therefore, m equals 120 divided by 3, and m equals 40. And this is the value of m that will satisfy this equation here. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.